folks, welcome back again. Today we will see how to secure our REST endpoints, which means directly hitting if you give the endpoint to someone, they will hit the directly the endpoint and they will get the result. But if you want to secure our endpoint, if you want to provide some security to our endpoints, how we will do? For that we need to configure security to our project. Okay, with the complete project we need to provide some security. By that all the endpoints which are there, which we are exposed, those are got secured. So to do that, what we need to do, first of all we need to add a dependency which is Spring Boot starter security. Okay, first of all let me add the dependency Spring Boot starter security. Okay, let me open this. I have opened form.xml. I'm copying the above dependency. After copying, I'm pasting here. I'm changing AOP to security. Okay, this is the dependency which you need to add, Spring Boot starter security. Okay, so when you paste the security, you can see here. Let me show you. I think this is some console error. No need of giving any version or nothing. So let me check the dependencies. Spring Boot starter security. You can see here 3.1.1 jar is downloaded. Okay, so once the jar got downloaded, the security will automatically applies to our project. Let me rerun this project. Let me start the project. Okay, so let me go to this application main class and let me run this one, Spring Boot starter. So once I get started, it is going to be started. Okay, so once you can see here in the console, the password, the system generated password is there. Okay, so this is the password which you need, which we have to remember. Okay, which we should take this password. And if you want to hit any URL, just let me open the Chrome and I will show you. If you want to hit the URL, now it is exposed on localhost 7001. Localhost 7001. Okay, so now localhost 7001. so if I hit this URL, you can see here the screen itself. You can see a screen which is asking for a username and the password. By default, if you add the Spring security, the username is just user, USER, all are lowercase letters. The password is which you capture from the console. If you give this one, if you get sign in, you can hit the URL, otherwise it won't allow you to hit the endpoint. So now if you want, you don't want a system generated password which was very long. It is difficult to again and again copy from this console and all. You want your own system, your custom username and password. What we need to do for that, we just need to do a small thing. Go back to this application STS, go to application.properties. Now currently it's in dev, so just copy Spring security user.name and I have these properties already. You can see here Spring security user.name, Spring security user.password. Let me change it to error and password to solver. Okay, so this is my username and password, desired username and password I gave here. So I copying from here and I'm pasting in my dev. Okay, so I have pasted in my application properties, which is my dev application property, which is active profile. So here I have pasted all the properties, the username and the password. Let me rerun the application. When I rerun the application, so the application got rerun and you can see in the console now. In this scenario, you are not able to see any system generated password. Why? Because we gave our custom username and our custom password. Okay, let me hit that URL again. So if I hit this URL, it is again asking for a username and password. Now I will give here error and the password is solver. Right, this is our username and password. When I click on sign in, you can see how you can able to hit our REST endpoints. This is how we are going to enable security to our Spring Boot applications to secure our REST endpoints. This is the basic authorization. If you want to do some advanced, like if you want to use some JWT tokens and all, we can see in the further videos. So for now, this is the basic authorization, this is basic security we are going to provide to our REST endpoints. If you really think this video is useful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.